Well, it's peony time, and you have to come to Adelman Peony Gardens, and I'm with Carol Adelman. And Carol, the gardens look lovely as always, and even with this horrible spring, it's beautiful here.
Oh, it's loving having the sunshine come out.
It is nice. And you know, I love coming to your display gardens. I mean, everything is wonderful, but to seeing the peonies with different plants, with trees and shrubs, and with perennials, with annuals, it really gives us a lot of ideas.
Yeah, we have a lot of companion plants. And you'll see bush peonies, and you'll see intersectional peonies and tree peonies. The intersectionals are a cross between the bush and tree peony, and they're really lovely.
And so why did that happen? Was there something that you were looking for when people started to cross those two?
Oh, human nature.
Just try something new?
Different.
Right, right. And this is a beautiful one here that it's this yellow, this lemon yellow, lemon chiffon is amazing.
Yes, it's was one of the early yellows. Now there's quite a few, but this one's really gorgeous. And it was crossed with Salmon Dream, the pink one, and an apricot-y one was the result. It's not in bloom right at the moment.
But that's what's so much fun about hybridizing, and then that's one of your specialties.
Yes, that's what I got relegated to. It's fun.
I bet, I bet. And you know, I think peonies are lovely in the garden, but they're always lovely to have cut flowers too.
Yes, they go gorgeous in bouquets.
Lovely. And I know that when we come here to see the gardens, you can walk through, you can take pictures, but you also have cut flowers for sale, and then you also have plants to take home.
We do, and we have 25 acres of peonies you can walk through, so if you want your exercise, come on out.
So Carol, it is nice now, but we had a really horrific April with so much rain. So is there something we should be concerned about going into end of May into June?
I know the warm weather should clear up any effects of botrytis, the fungus spore that could get on them, and the wind dries them off, and the sunshine makes them very happy, so we should be fine now.
They're pretty easy care plants too. I have some at my home, and it's like I just love them to bloom, and I enjoy them, I water them, but are they easy as that?
They are. They aren't really any insects that bother them. Just the botrytis in early spring is possible. And I put some tulip daffodil bulb fertilizer on and water it in, and you're good.
Oh, that is nice. I mean, we're all so busy now. We want to enjoy the flowers and, you know, just take care of them as best we can.
Right, and after bloom you can take off the spent bloom, and that way it won't spend the energy on making a seed pod that you won't use.
Oh, that's
and
true.
Make the plant look nice during the summertime.
Because the foliage stays, it's so beautiful for the rest of the season until fall.
Yes, they make a nice landscape shrub.
Definitely. And so I love coming out here. I have to bring your walking shoes, got to bring your camera, because we can take pictures anywhere.
Right.
That is so nice of you that we can do that. And to really bring your family and friends and stroll around, take your time in the gardens. There's places to sit if it's a nice day and you want to enjoy it even longer. And so Carol, I know that you're at this wonderful exit, and so what exit do we take?
We're at the Brooks exit of I-5, exit 263 by Pilot Truck Stop.
And just follow the signs.
And we're just a mile and a half east.
Definitely. And you know, that is the wonderful exit that you can go to so many other places we've talked about. You can go to Egan Gardens, Shriner's Iris Gardens, and also Seabright Gardens. Really, it's a day in the country to enjoy and get plants to take home for your own garden. Thank you so much, Carol. It's lovely.
You're welcome.